guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're at the Lake Metroparks, and it's really fun because we're gonna see horses, well, ponies. I'm not really sure, but let's go inside and see. Went inside the building. Now we're going to get our admission to get in, and there's a gift shop over there. It says pure maple syrup. So now we're inside the place, and we're gonna explore the place to see what there is here. Let's go. Look over there, it's a little farm with little sheep and a house and a barn and tractors too. There's another little barn. I don't know what that is, like that little gray pen. Maybe it keeps water, but I don't know. Let's keep exploring. There are two goats. Are they sheep or goats?
Sheep.
I think one of them is a goat though. But they're so cute. This is a little sheep. I don't know what the names are, but these are all sheep. I think that's a goat. Wait, this is another rabbit. I think that rabbit's name is Martin. This sheep's name is Sophia. This is not a real fish. Here there is a place to wash your hands, and it's really cold. Now we're gonna go and ride the ponies. Now we're in the greenhouse. Let's see what's inside. This is where all the plants grow, and since it's a greenhouse, the sunlight comes in, but this coldness can't come in. So all these things grow. Oh, look, there's cotton! Up there, there's cotton. Okay, look, this is a little pepper. It used to have seeds, but now it doesn't. I would like to eat those seeds. And these are all the garden tools. You need to grow a great garden like this. Here there are lots of books, and so many people can read these books. Like there's one about bugs, there's one about the power of plants. Wow, so many books. These are wheat, and these turn into flour. And with the flour, you can make a corn shell machine. You put like the corn in there, and then you turn this. But it says do not touch. This is a grain of a wheat seed, and this is how it looks like inside. I'm gonna eat an apple. Wait, this is not a real apple, guys. I tricked you. Here, there are like a pear. There's a strawberry. There's a another apple. Here's a bee. These are the honeys the bees make. These are the grains, and these are the Indian corn. These are all different types of corn. I like this corn the most. Here are some more plants. And that's a huge pumpkin. I don't know if it's real. Let me check. I think it's real. Whoa, and look at this, guys. This is a real bee. I hope we can't get out. Where's the queen bee? This is... Hello, sir. Can you get some honey for me, sir? The sir is not giving me honey. Guys, I'm a little worm and I'm gonna go inside the dirt. Guys, look, I'm a worm and I'm gonna go inside the dirt. Wow! Look at this. There's some rocks. There's some plants. There are even roots over here. There's seed and a root. Wow, this is so cool. Rocks. Oh my goodness, it's a caterpillar! Ah! Oh, look at these roots. Wow. Look at this centipede. No, it's a worm. It's a big worm. Ah! Get me out of here! Ah! This is my tree. And trying to get inside the shell. But then it can come out of the shell too. And this is a squirrel. This is a skunk. Ah! A ladybug. It's a ladybug. Oh, a tarantula! Ah! It's a spider, or is it an ant? I have no idea. Ah! And it's a mouse! Hey guys, you know, I love this place. It's my favorite place. Please subscribe and like. Please. It's right down in the I'm a visitor. That means I'm welcome to the greenhouse. It's organic growing, so it's not in like a greenhouse, and they don't use any chemicals. It's all organic. They even use poop to grow them. It's a community garden. In the community garden, everyone in the community can plant their own flowers, plants, anything really. But probably it might need a membership, but I'm not quite sure yet. There's some like sunflower things, and there's like a barn, and there's a playground, and I'm gonna play in the playground. These are sunflowers and these are sunflowers. It smells really nice. Turn this and then it will start the tractor. This one can actually turn, but it can't. Oh. And boom, your tractor has started. Oh, it's turning it. Victor is gonna move this wagon, and now we're gonna explore the place. Yay! Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to leave a like. Goodbye!